Children, let's start question number 4th of exercise 1C. There are 4 parts and I'm going to solve 4th part of the question. This is the question and you are asked to find the value of A and B. So children, what you have to do? You have to rationalize. How to rationalize that you know? We have to multiply and divide with the opposite sign of denominator. Here negative sign is here. We have to multiply and divide with positive sign. Now you can see numerators are same and denominators forms the identity A minus B into A plus B. In the numerator we will get A plus B whole square as both the terms are same. And in the denominator A minus B into A plus B, what is the identity? A square minus B square. Now let's expand A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square. 3 square is 9 and root 2 when you will square it, root will get cancelled. Plus 2AB, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30 under root 2. Same way 5 square is 25 and when you will open it you will get 9 into 2. And after that 25 plus 18 is 43 plus 30 root 2 over 7 is equal to, it was given to us. Now you can compare children or separate the denominator first. It can be written as 43 by 7 plus 30 by 7 root 2 is equal to the given value. A is constant, single term. So what is A on comparing? 43 by 7. And B is coefficient of root 2. Here the coefficient of root 2 is 30 by 7. So B is 30 by 7. These are the values. Children, question number 5. This is the question. And see children, why we are rationalizing the denominator so that we can form the identity A plus B into A minus B. But here you can see the situation. Here if we will take direct LCM, both the terms are same with opposite sign. So if we will take direct LCM, easily identity can be formed A plus B into A minus B. So let's start the question by taking LCM. I have taken LCM here children. Now LCM divide by this term and this term will get cancelled and you have to multiply this term with the numerator, that is 22. So I wrote it like this. Plus this term and this term will get cancelled, 17 multiply by this term. Now let's open it. 22 2s are 44 root 3 minus 22 1s are 22 plus 17 2s are 34 root 3 plus 17 1s are 17. Upon identity is formed A plus B into A minus B, that you can write here. And on equating the like terms, you can add up these terms because these are like terms. That will become 78 root 3 minus plus is minus 22 minus 17 is 5. Upon 4 3s are 12 minus 1. This will be the final answer. Question number 6 children. This is the value of x and you are asked to find x square. Always remember, before finding the square of x, first you rationalize it. That will be easy for you. Clear? So what I did, you can see, I rationalized the value of x by multiplying and divide with the opposite sign of denominator. That is by minus sign. So x will become, numerators are same, root 5 minus 2 whole square and denominator A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. When you will expand the numerator by using the identity A minus B whole square, it will become A square plus B square minus 2AB, 2 2s are 4 root 5 upon 5 minus 4. This is the value of x in standard form. Clear children? Children, here correction was there. In place of 4 square, here will come 2 square. So 5 minus 4, that will become 1. Denominator is 1. If you will not mention, no problem. So this is the value of x. Now you have to find out x square. X square means you have to square the whole term. Clear children? Now let's find out the square by using the identity A minus B whole square, that you know, A square plus B square of this term minus 2AB 4 2s are 8, 8 9s are 72 root 5. 81 plus 16 5s are 80. 81 plus 80 is 161 minus this term as it is. Same way children, you are given the value of y in this question and you are asked to find out y square. Same procedure, first you will rationalize y and you will find out the value of y in this term. Clear? You can see the question again. This is the solution, how to rationalize, how to expand it using the identity, and then this is the value of y. Then after you have to find y square by squaring these terms, that is a plus b whole square. Same thing, a square plus b square plus 2ab, the value of y square will be this one. Okay children, now in third part you are asked to find xy. What you are asked to find out? Xy, that is third part children. Xy, value of x already we found, value of y also already we found after rationalization. Then put the value here. X is this value, y is this value. It forms the identity a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. A square means 9 square, that is 81, minus b square is 4 root 5 square, 4 square is 16, and root 5 you root will get cancel. So 16 5s will be 80, that's equal to 1. Fourth part children, you are asked to find this value. X square we got in first part, y square we got in second part, and xy we got in third part. This was the value of x square, this was the value of y square, and this is the value of xy. You can see these two terms are with opposite sign, will get cancelled, and when you will add these terms your answer will be 323. Ninth question children, value of x is given and you are asked to find this value. X already we are having, and find out 1 over x first and after that we'll do cubing of it. Let's start the question now. 1 over x, meaning 1 over 1 minus root 2. So always I told you, first you rationalize and then after you put the value. So let us rationalize 1 over x. That we can do by multiplying and divide with the opposite sign. Here the sign is negative, we will multiply and divide with positive sign. Numerator, this multiply by 1, same term. Here a minus b into a plus b, that will be equal to a square minus b square. Here you will get 1 plus root 2 over 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 children, it is minus 1, and minus 1 will change sign of both the terms. It was positive will become negative, it was also positive will become negative. Now you can see we got value of x also in standard form, we got 1 over x also in standard form. What we were asked to find out? X minus 1 over x whole cube. So first of all I'll find out x minus 1 over x. Children, the value of x was 1 minus root 2, then after minus sign, in the bracket the value of 1 over x was minus 1 minus root 2, that I put here. Let us open the bracket now. 1 minus root 2 as it is, minus minus plus 1, minus minus plus root 2. This root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. You are left with 2. This is the value of x minus 1 over x. But we are asked to find out x minus 1 over x whole power 3. That means 2 power 3, that's equal to 8. This is the answer. Next is question number 11 children. I am not going to solve this, but I will discuss the question with you. These are the terms, 5 terms are given and you have to prove that the answer of this question is 5. So children, what you have to do is, first you will take single term, first term, and rationalize it. Then you take second term and rationalize it separately. Then you take third term, rationalize it. Fourth and fifth also, rationalize the terms separately. and then put the values after rationalization. Then when you will do cuttings and all or equating the like terms, your answer will be equal to 5. You have to try this question yourself. Question number 12, children, you can see it is different question. In the denominator there are 3 terms. So be very careful how to solve this question. Take 2 terms as A and third term as B. Okay children, I have taken these 2 terms as A and this term as B. Now let us rationalize this. What is the sign between A and B? Positive. So we will multiply and divide with the opposite sign of denominator. Sign was positive. We multiplied and divide with opposite sign. 1 multiply by numerator. Numerator will become same. And denominator A plus B into A minus B will become A square minus B square. Yes children, numerator 1 multiply this term will become same and denominator A was taken, this term was taken A, so A square minus B square. Clear? Numerator same, A square. How to expand it now? A minus B whole square, that is A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B minus 1 square is 1 only. Again numerator will become same. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1 will be 4 minus 2 into root 3 into root 2 is root 6. But children, our question was to rationalize it, but still it is not rationalized. Again root is there in the denominator. So what we have to do? We have to rationalize this term again. So this is step 2 of the question because still it is not completed. I wrote it as it is. Now let us rationalize by multiplying and divide with the opposite sign, that is positive sign. Clear children? Now this term multiply with this term. How to multiply? Root 3 multiply the 2 terms. Minus root 2 will multiply with both the terms. Minus 1 will multiply with both the terms. So for your convenience I wrote it like this. And in the denominator identity is A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. Now let's expand children. 4 root 3 plus 2 root 18. Okay children, minus 4 multiplied by root 2 is minus 4 root 2. Minus plus minus 2 as it is. Root 2 into root 6 is root 12. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4. Minus plus minus 2 root 6 upon 4 square is 16 minus 2 square is 4, root 6 square is 6. So 4 6 are 24. Now come to this 4 root 3. Children, root of 18 can be written as 3 root 2 because it can be written 9 into 2 and root of 9 is 3. 3 will come out, will multiply with 2, will become 6. 6 root 2 minus 4 root 2. How it can be written? 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Root of 4 is 2. 2 will come out. 2 into 2 is 4 root 3 minus 4 minus the term as it is. These two terms will get cancelled and you are left with, these are the like terms. 6 minus 4 root 2 is 2 root 2 minus 4 minus 2 root 6 upon minus 8. Children, we can see 2 can be taken common. Inside you are left with this term. 2 and 8 can be cancelled. Here you will get 4. Now adjust this minus sign children. Let's change the sign. These two terms are negative. I made it positive. And this term was positive. I made it negative. Divide by, what is the denominator? 4. This is your answer. Children, we discussed many questions of this chapter. I hope you will try the chapter yourself and prepare it well. Thank you.